Hi everyone, it's my first clothing haul today. So I've shopped something from Jabong and from Koovs and other sites. So I'll just be sharing my haul with you, clothing haul. It's my first haul, so I'm very excited. Also, it's very early in the morning, so please don't mind if you do not like the lighting and all. Thank you for that. So I'll just start with the first one. This is the first top that I've bought from Koovs. It has side detailing, tassels. It's a net top, it's a sheer one. So I have to wear an inner beneath it. And it has tassels, long tassels at the bottom also and on the sleeves also. So this comes till my waist. I'll link down the prices below, so we'll not have to worry about the boring stuff right now. The second one I've bought is from Jabong. This is a beautiful kaftan that you can see. There is some coin kind of detailing on the sleeves, and it also comes with an inner, so a pink kind of an inner. It's purple from the bottom and pink on the top, as you can see. This also comes till my waist. So all these clothes I'm buying for the summers which are approaching. The third one that I've bought is actually I bought it from Lifestyle. It's from Fusion Beats. This top is from Fusion Beats. It has lace detailing on top, and this is the whole of the top. It's a white plain cream colored top. I guess this would look really nice on a blue jeans or maybe a skirt. So this is how it looks. And the fourth one, it fell down, so I have to bend, is actually this one. This is a top from Only. This is a regular jeans top. It is high-low and a dark blue color. Basically, it's looking black on camera, but it's dark blue floral top with a pinhole back, I can say. So these were the tops. Also, I've bought some dresses which I'll share with you. So this is one dress which I've bought from Globus. This is how the dress looks like. It has the front is V-neck, and then the dress goes like this. It has like half sleeves with folding detailing which is there on the sleeve. So I guess with a black inner or a white inner, this is going to look really nice with leggings or jeggings or something like that. The second one that I've bought, the next two dresses are actually from Koovs. So this one is something that I've bought from Koovs. This is actually a high-low dress. This comes till my waist, rather below my waist. It comes till my knees, rather just below my knees as well, because it's high-low. So this is actually a very nice dress for summers, a sheath dress for summer, as I would say. The last one is actually a purple dress, as you can see. It's also high-low, if you can see. This is a chiffon dress with a pinhole at the back. It looked really good with leggings or on its own also. This also comes till my legs, till my knees rather. And this is also from Koovs. So that's all. This is all the clothing haul. I've also purchased certain accessories, so I'll be doing a separate haul for that. So this is all. I'll link down the prices below. Also, I'll try to link the products as much as possible. I bought them on a sale. So if the discounts are still going on, even you can take benefit from it. That was all for today. Have a really nice day. Bye.